Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 5 for Standard 12 HSC Board. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from miscellaneous exercise 1. Question number 2, 3. That is a continued. Fourth one is remain. At x is equal to 0, d dx f x plus gx. Now, this is equal to f dash x plus gx and derivative of x plus gx. Okay, so f dash 0 x is equal to 0 plus g0 into derivative of x is 1 and derivative of this is g dash x. So f dash 0 plus g0 is equal to 1 given. So 0 plus 1 into 1 and g dash 0. So f dash 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 3 and f dash 1 is equal to 1 upon 3 given into 4 upon 3 and is equal to minus 4 upon 9. Question number 4. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Sine into bracket 2 tan inverse root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Okay, solution. Put x is equal to cos t. So dx is equal to minus dt sine minus sine t dt. So therefore dt dx is equal to minus 1 upon sine t and is equal to minus cosec t. Now dy dx is equal to d dx sine 2 tan inverse under root 1 minus cos t plus 1 upon 1 plus cos t. So 1 minus cos t is equal to 2 sin square t upon 2 and 1 plus cos t is equal to 2 cos square t upon 2. Substitute this. So d dx sine 2 into bracket tan inverse tan t2 t upon 2. So d dx sine 2 into this tan inverse tan t2 is equal to t upon 2. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled and simply it is sin t and dy dx is equal to cos t dt dx. So cos t into minus cosec t and then find the value of cosec and cos t. So gives you minus x upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now here substitution is what x is equal to cos t. X is equal to cos t and therefore in this right angle triangle this is x and this is 1 and therefore this side is equal to root 1 minus x square and then therefore cosec t is equal to this. Okay. Then question number 2. Sine square into bracket cot inverse under root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Solution. Let y is equal to sine square cot inverse root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Similarly, you put x is equal to cos t. So that is this is 1 plus cos t and 1 minus cos t. Okay. So y is equal to sine square cot inverse root 1 plus cos t upon 1 minus cos t. So y is equal to sine square cot inverse. This is cos square t upon 2 and sine square t upon 2. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled and is equal to sine square into bracket cot inverse cot t upon 2 and y is equal to sine square t So this is t upon 2 sine t upon 2. Okay. So dy dx is equal to derivative of this 2 sine t upon 2, and derivative of sine is equal to cos t upon 2 dt dx minus 1 upon 2. Okay. And because the derivative of t upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 and dt dx. Okay. And is equal to sin t upon 2 minus cosec t, and if you substitute is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Question number 3. This is important question. Tan inverse root x into bracket 3 minus x upon 1 minus 3. So solution. This is important because you should know the value of tan 3 theta. Okay. Let y is equal to tan inverse root x into bracket 3 minus x upon 1 minus 3x. Put root x is equal to tan theta, and therefore 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to sec square d theta, and therefore d theta dx is equal to 1 upon 2 root x sec square theta. So this is 2 root x into 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Now y is equal to tan inverse tan into bracket 3 minus tan square theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is equal to tan 3 theta. So y is equal to tan inverse tan 3 theta, and therefore y is equal to 3 theta, and dy dx is equal to 3 d theta dx. So 3 upon 2 root x into 1 plus x. Okay. Question number 4. Cos inverse into bracket root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x upon 2. Solution. Let y is equal to cos inverse root 1 plus x minus root 1 minus x upon 2. Put x is equal to cos 2 theta. Okay. So dx is equal to 2 minus sin 2 theta d theta, and d theta dx is equal to minus 2 upon minus 1 upon 2 sin theta. Okay. Sin 2 theta. Therefore cos y is equal to cos inverse root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta upon 2. So is equal to cos inverse. So if you simplify this, 1 upon root 2 cos theta minus 1 upon root 2 sin theta. Okay. And now for this you substitute 1 upon root 2 is equal to cos A, and therefore 1 upon root 2 is sin A, and therefore y is equal to cos inverse cos A cos theta minus sin A sin theta, and this is equal to y is equal to cos inverse cos A plus theta, and hence y is equal to A plus theta, and dy dx is equal to, here A is constant, so dy dx is equal to 0 plus d theta dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 sin 2 theta. And now by means of this triangle find the value of sin 2 theta. Suppose this angle is equal to 2 theta, then cos 2 theta is equal to, so dy dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 minus x square. Okay. 1 root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.